What's up, guys? Hold on, wait there. Let me just turn on the light. Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? Jem here for another video. Today we're gonna be actually unboxing this what is this? Revell 144 scale G53G transport helicopter. What we're gonna see is this part. So yeah. So let's open this up. Before I open it, is here some things here and some side here and the other side here, then also at the back, but you can see some different models you can also buy or build. So let's open it up with my trusty old knife. It's too hard, and let me just put it longer. Okay, that's much better. Let's open it up. So let's just get the instruction manual. So this is the instructions right here. Then here is our kit right here. So it's actually a very small kit. Oh, okay then. So yeah, you can see the fuselage right here and some other parts here, the blades. I can see some blades also. I mean, yeah, the blades already. Yeah, so the engine and the also. So I can show it to you here, right here. So let's actually go for the instruction manual first. So here's the instruction manual. Let's open it up. So here's another part of the helicopter you can do. You can do some painting here. Open it up again. Oh, here's the decals with no cover. Wow, that's just not good. But here's the decals. Oops, I don't know exactly. Here are the decals, and I have no idea what's this. So it's the safety whatever is this. So here it is. It just tells you that you need glue. Obviously you need some tools. And here are the paint. Let me see the paint labels. The paint numbers you should get for this model is right here. Then we have the instruction manuals right here. So let's move this aside. And here's another one right here. And there's another helicopter you can paint into, another version. So yeah, that's all. I think there's something inside here. Let me just show you the whole thing because I didn't show it properly. Here's some here. No. And also outside, this is where the start is. So yeah. Okay, after showing the menu, let's see. Just gotta open this up. So let me just open this up. See if I can try. Just make a hole. There you go. And then that. And just open some. Just take this. And then come on, this ticket's so large. Never mind. Got it. There you go. Okay. And so let's start with the canopy. Here are the windows. Here I might have to try to paint here. So I might have to paint here and also on top of here. And here's some of the windows for the fuselage. I think the outside of the helicopter. Next is the fuselage here and the blades, and on top of the blades of here. And where to connect the blades are right here. And here as well. And the wheels, I think. Then what's this? I have no idea what are these. So yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I think these are the engines. Okay, next part of this is like 2 or 3 parts of this helicopter. Wow. Again, another fuselage, and then you got this engine here. Then Then we got, this is where, I think this is the cockpit here, and here where you put the cargo and stuff. Oh, here the door at the back of the helicopter, and the wing here, and a door. I think here it's for here as well. And these here, I think you have to color this in red. I think, yeah, you have to color this in red, but yeah. So yeah, guys, this is my unboxing video with the revell 144 scale 353G transport helicopter 144 scale. I have to say that one again. So yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and leave a like, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is part 1, and I'm gonna see in the part 2 where it's all finished, or maybe part 2 was showing you this part here, I think. Okay, so yeah, guys, I will see you later. Maybe see you later, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, guys, I will see you later for the next video. So yeah, guys, so goodbye.